Cable cutting, highly efficient, with automated mechanical payoff and take-up for precise cable length and minimal deviation. Parts threading, pre-assembled parts are threaded onto the cable. Outer jacket stripping. Strip the outer jacket to the specified length, 34 to 36 millimeters. Fiber stripping. Uses thermal fiber stripping equipment. Adhesive dispensing. Automated dispensing process ensures full, even adhesive coverage on the ferrule. Ferrule curing. Constant temperature curing of it. Assembly/crimping ensures stability and tensile strength. Eight, achieve artisan-grade quality through the following 4-stage polishing process. Step 1, 30-micron epoxy removal. Step 2, 9-micron rough grinding. Step 3, 1-micron fine grinding. Step 4, mirror polishing. 9, 100% insertion loss inspection and grade A end face inspection. 10, 100% insertion loss inspection ensures all connectors fall within specification. 11, inspect the end face under a 400x CCD microscope. Once the product passes inspection, it is sealed in a bag and packaged.